If you want to desaturate an image in Photopea, the easiest and safest way is to use a hue/saturation adjustment layer. This method is non-destructive, which means you can come back later and change the amount of color anytime you want without ruining the original image. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll keep it super simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Photopea. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project or image in Photopea. Once your image is on the canvas, look over to the Layers panel. This is where all of your image layers and effects are managed. At the bottom of the Layers panel, you'll see the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. Go ahead and click that icon. A menu will pop up with several adjustment options. From that list, choose Hue/Saturation. As soon as you click it, Photopea will create a new adjustment layer above your image. This is what makes the effect editable and non-destructive. Next, look for the Properties panel. Usually, it appears above your Layers panel or somewhere nearby depending on your layout. In the Properties panel, you'll see a Saturation slider. This is the control that changes how colorful your image looks. To fully desaturate the photo, drag the saturation slider all the way to the left until it reaches -100. The image should now turn black and white, or at least completely lose its color. If you want to fine-tune the effect instead of removing all the color, you can stop somewhere between 0 and -100 until it looks the way you want. Now here's the best part. Because you used an adjustment layer, you are not locked into that edit. If you decide later that you want some of the color back, just double-click the adjustment layer icon again. The Properties panel will reopen, and you can slide the saturation value back to the right to restore color or reduce the desaturation effect. This is a huge advantage over destructive editing because it gives you full control at any time. You can also toggle the layer visibility on and off to compare the original image with the desaturated version. That makes it easy to see whether the effect looks good for your design, thumbnail, or photo edit. So in just a few clicks, you've learned how to desaturate a photo in Photopea, the smart way using a hue/saturation adjustment layer. It's fast, flexible, and completely beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.